Hello Hungry Fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to recreate Burger King recipes and see if I can make them better at home. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. I'm going to start with Burger King's best seller, that is Chicken Whopper. If you are a vegetarian, you can skip to this timestamp for the veg burger recipes. I have noticed that the chicken from Burger King is not completely minced. It always has small chunks. So I'm going to flatten out a 200 grams of thigh piece in a Ziploc bag using a rolling pin. Then just give cuts with a knife like so in crisscross. You'll get nice chunky chicken mince. This process is super fun and you can remove all your frustration. Transfer it into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon chopped jalapenos, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half chopped onion, 1 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper powder. Mix and let it marinate for at least 20 minutes. After marination, add 1 egg and mix it in. For binding, I'm adding 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Transfer it on a silicone mat or any plastic sheet. Give it a flat and round patty shape. Make it bigger in size because Whoppers are really huge. Apply 1 teaspoon oil and yes, that's our failed Jugaru Pam spray from Poppet Hacks. Grill the chicken patty from both the sides for 6 to 7 minutes. That patty looks so delicious already. For the burger buns, I'm using the same recipe from our cheap versus expensive burger video. The size of the first batch came out smaller, so I baked them again and its diameter is approximately 5 inches. One burger bun is for the cheese meltdown, so it has cornmeal over it and I scored it from center. That is gave a cut before baking. Now these are the ingredients for the Thousand Island sauce. Add half cup mayo in a bowl. To that, add 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1 teaspoon chili sauce. Traditionally, they use relish, but I'm going to use chopped gherkins. 1/4 teaspoon vinegar. 1 teaspoon each of black pepper powder and salt. Mix it all together. In the beginning, they used to add tomato ketchup, so I didn't really enjoy eating this burger, but now they have improved so much and I really enjoy it. Now let's assemble the burger. These are all the elements we need. I toasted the bun slightly only on one side without using oil to give an even color. Apply the sauce on the top bun. Place lettuce leaves, onion slices, tomato slices and pickle slices. Place the patty on the bottom bun. Now assemble it together. It looks damn good. Let's taste the chicken Whopper from Burger King first. Okay, our size is a bit bigger than the Burger King and they didn't add tomato, which is fine. There's a lot of sauce. We can clearly see the grill marks as well. The taste is really good. It has a very unique flavor. Let's taste our homemade chicken Whopper. Wow, that was huge and so delicious. The patty is very juicy. The bun is so good and everything is just perfect. But honestly, it doesn't taste like a Burger King Whopper. Like it's a great chicken burger, but the Burger King patty has a very different taste. Even when the ingredients and everything is same, it has more of like a chicken salami taste. As in the taste is like a deli meat, like the cold cut meat. Only for this reason, I'm going to rate our burger a 7 on 10. But definitely give our lip smacking burger a try. Before starting the cheese meltdown recipe, a lot of you asked me in the last video where did I buy the poppets from. So not only poppet toys, but I buy most of the ingredients or gadgets from Amazon through Cashkaro. If you shop online on Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Ajio and not only that but more 1500 plus websites, or you want to save on recharge and bill payment, you should definitely use India's biggest cashback app Cashkaro. It gives extra cash back on and above all the exciting discounts discounts and offers like flat 8% cashback on Ajio, up to 15% cashback on Mamaearth, flat 15% cashback on Man Company, and so many more. Also, Amazon Prime Day sale is on 26th and 27th July. Even I can't wait to shop a lot from these great deals and earn cashback. It is funded by Mr. Ratan Tata himself. Using Cash Karo is super simple and requires only 2 steps. Just click on the link in the description and download Cash Karo app. You will instantly get rupees 25 bonus from the description link, or use our code HUNGER25 when you download the app from Play Store or App Store to get the rupees 25 bonus. After making your account, select any website, like I'm choosing Amazon, then tap on the orange button. It will take you directly to that particular website, and now shop normally. Add the product to your cart and make the payment. You will see the cashback in the Cash Karo's My Earnings section. The cashback earned from Cash Karo is real cash. So once your cashback is confirmed, you can either transfer the entire amount to your bank account or convert it into Amazon gift voucher. So just click on the link in the description box, sign up on Cash Karo and shop now. Let's move on to making our cheese meltdown burger, and these are the ingredients. Cut boiled potato in small cubes like so. Add 1 cup of this cut potato in a bowl. Add half cup of processed cheese, 1 tablespoon mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 2 to 3 tablespoons of jalapenos, half teaspoon each of black pepper powder and salt. Mix it using a fork. Smash it a bit while mixing. Then add 1 teaspoon of chili powder as well and mix. We have to give a rectangular shape to the potato and cheese mixture. Flatten it out and wrap it in a cling wrap. Refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. To make the flour slurry, in a bowl add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, 1 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now add half cup of water and whisk it until there are no lumps. You have to make a semi-thick slurry for this patty. Now dip the freeze patty in the slurry and coat it with the breadcrumbs, which are already seasoned with salt and black pepper powder. You can double dip and coat it for extra crunch. Shallow fry the patties until they are nice and golden brown from both the sides. Now the assembly for all the Burger King burgers are literally the same. Apply Thousand Island sauce on the top bun. Add lettuce leaves, onion rings, tomato slices and pickle slices. Place the patty on the bottom bun and close the burger. Okay, that looks very funny. Patty कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़ा बना दिया मैंने, but I don't have a backup now, so we'll work with this. Let's taste the Burger King's cheese meltdown first. I must say the packaging is really good, and wow, that looks like a perfect burger. Again, no tomatoes, but it's fine. The burger has a nice core over it and the taste is really good. It's like a spicier McCain ka cheese shots which we get. Let's taste the cheese meltdown we made. It's a bit messy but looks amazing from the center. Bun is super soft but the scoring was not perfect. I definitely need to work on that. The taste is so good and exactly like the Burger King. The patty is crispy, cheesy and very spicy as well. Taste wise, I absolutely nailed this burger, but look wise, I kinda messed it up. So I'm going to rate it 8 on 10. Now let's make Veg Whopper, and these are the ingredients. In a bowl, add 3 medium-sized boiled potatoes. Add 1/4 cup each of boiled corn. I boiled the carrots first and then I chopped it. I also did the same for the French beans. Add 1/4 cup boiled peas, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon jalapenos, 1 teaspoon each chili powder, chili flakes, mixed herbs, ginger garlic paste, salt and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix it. Also, all the Burger King burgers are a bit spicy, that's why I added more chilies. For binding, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Mix it. Then similar to the cheese meltdown, we have to freeze the Whopper patty in refrigerator for at least 1 hour in a cling wrap. Just shape it into a large circular patty. You can also shape it using a knife like me. Then dip it in the flour slurry we made earlier. and coat it with the seasoned breadcrumbs, which is a task because of the huge size. It's again 5 inches like the chicken whopper. Freeze it again for 10 minutes, then shallow fry from both the sides until it's golden brown. Now let's assemble it in the same manner. That really looks amazing. Let's taste the Burger King Veg Whopper first. It's really good and tastes like a spicier McVeggie, which is actually tasty. Now let's taste the one we made. Wow, that looks so beautiful and taste is finally even better than the Burger King. It looks and tastes just perfect. It has crispy yet moist patties, soft buns, crunchy veggies, and the sauce is going so well with each other. The size is perfect, and now I'm happy that I absolutely nailed the last burger. So undoubtedly I'm rating it a 10 on 10. For me, first time I guess fast food was slightly better than the homemade burger, but me and my family had so much fun eating all these delicious burgers, so definitely try them out and let me know which fast food chain should I recreate next. Also, Cash Karo is an all-in-one app giving you free money for online shopping. Isn't it amazing? Sign up on Cash Karo with the description link. You will get ₹25 extra, or just use our code HUNGER25 when you download the app on your phone and make at least one transaction to earn the free cashback. Today's shout out goes to Bhavika Patil, Avika Gupta and Beauty Channel. If you want to shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.